Hey, welcome guys, welcome guys. As you can see here, we have some potato that we plant them all up in the air, yeah, but if you notice, you're gonna see the leaf them dry down. So if the leaf them dry down, it tells you something. It tells you the potato is actually ready to harvest. So what we're going to do here today, we're going and harvest this bed of potato and let's see how much we can get from it. Not bad, huh? Not bad at all. Let's see what's going on here. Okay, not bad guys. Okay. Okay. Guys, I think I need a container, man. I never, the problem is, I never prepare myself for harvest. So I'm going to put them on the ground for now, and then we're going to see to the end, okay? Okay. All right. Pretty nice size, guy. Oh, wow. Oh, pretty nice size. Okay. Just a few holes of potato, and we actually have a beautiful dinner right here from just a few holes of potato. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to harvest one cabbage. So I just wanted to show you guys this little harvest, guys. Let me see if I can show you guys right here. This is my harvest, guys, from just maybe about just a few holes of potato. About 3 to 4 potato. Nice dinner right here. Okay guys, after I now harvest the potato them, what I'm getting ready to plant now, I'm planting sweet potato. This is not the sweet yam. This is actually like a purple potato, a sweet potato. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going and plant these looking real healthy and beautiful plants. I'm going and plant them right where, in this little bed right where I harvest these potatoes from. So I have like 4 of them I have this one. This one is will come from the potato itself. All of them come from the potato, but I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna plant it right down inside here. You see the hole is already dig, so I'm just gonna place them down inside here and cover them. This is the next one. I'm gonna place it right down in there and just cover their root. Okay, we have two more here. Two more, so we're gonna go over this side. Then we have one more. So just like that, guys, this is actually about making space. So we already harvest the potato. This is just one bed of potato, pretty short. And what we do, we replace them with sweet potato. This is how we try to get our garden to produce ongoing during the garden season, because when we harvest, we try to replant something that can produce before the frost. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you all enjoy. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.